Buenos dias, ¿cómo está? I recently quit my 9-to-5 corporate job to start my own car dealership out of my home garage. One of my first priorities was installing a lift so I can service my vehicles properly. My concrete floor was too thin to support the two-post lift. You have to have at least 4 inches of concrete in order to support it, so Papa Al and I cut and chiseled 4-foot holes in my concrete floor. This guy is an absolute workhorse. Even at 85 years old, he could outperform most of the young guys out there today. We got this rotary hammer from Harbor Freight, and it saved us so much work. We dug the holes down about 16 inches and then laid rebar underneath the existing concrete floor. We also refit this new floor drain. A friend of mine recommended we use this mud mixer, and it was an absolute lifesaver. All you have to do is dump a bag of concrete into the hopper and then dial in the water mixture. It does the rest. Papa Al calls it a sausage maker. This guy is an absolute wealth of knowledge, and I've learned so much from him throughout my entire life. He has always inspired me to learn to do things myself and do the best job I possibly can. Right here, we're screeding out the concrete to make it as smooth as possible. Now that we're done, we have to let it dry for an entire week before the lift can be installed. I was happy to hire a team of professionals to install the lift.
You what? Because what I did on that four post, I have no chance of breaking it.
What did you do to a four-wheel?
I moved that,
Now that it's wired up, it's time to give it a try. This clip is in 2 times fast forward. I bought this 9,000-pound tuxedo lift from BestBuyEquipment.com. I paid about $2,400 for the lift, $1,200 to install, and about $500 in concrete. After electrical, I have this whole lift installed for about $4,500. I'm very happy with the result and thrilled to have a chance to spend more time with my grandfather. The additional storage is a great bonus as well. I've had this lift in service for a little over a year now, and I'm very happy with it. It can lift compact cars and full-size trucks, no problem at all. As always, thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.